Hey guys, look what's behind me. Oh yeah, it's awesome. Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Art of RVing. Man, look what is behind me. A 94, I don't know, 34-foot trailer, I don't know, Airstream. It is vintage and it is unrestored, which I love. So here we go. Hit us up on Instagram, Patreon, and hit that sub button. Let's get it on. So here's our first look at it. An Excello 1000, 6 wheels. You know it. Love, of course, the fold down window, bad to the bone. That's the original Airstream number. You know I love low tech. Look at this electric tom jack with that light on there. You just gotta love it. Shaking hands?
Oh yeah, I don't mind.
Oh, me neither, dude.
I work for a living.
Me too, dude. All right, so here's Keith. Check it out. Look at that, and I love this. So you bought this. How long have you had it?
2005.
Dang, it is awesome. So check out these girls. The most important one is who? Oh, Bradley. Okay, so this is the front. How long is it, did you say?
34-foot livable.
Look at this.
That's original radio. 36 bumper to bumper.
36 footer, man. Look at those original sconces right there. Who's peeking out there?
That's my wife, Chris.
Say.
Whoa. Check it out. Look at this curve here. It's got this little corner here. Of course, this is the original dinette here.
The original chairs too.
Oh, that's the original Airstream chairs?
Yep.
What are they called?
Zip D's.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yeah, the awning looks just like this.
And I love, you know I'm into this old tech, man. There's your tanks. Gosh, look at this. Nice. Look at your cover. Of course, your original stove. And you said all these cabinets are solid wood.
They're all solid wood cabinets.
Dude, look at this. Look at this storage room here. It's huge. And cabinets all above.
Yeah. Refrigerator.
I love the original dinette. Look how it cuts over on the edges of those. And of course, all the storage at the bottom. Look at this original light, man.
Yep.
Look, here's the couch.
The original couch in the front. Look at that pattern. Awesome.
Yeah, that makes a full table all the way across.
Look at this old light. Man, flip it upside down, you put your drink in there. Look at that original mirror with that bevel on the side of it. Man, just because, right? So check out these closets in here, all mirrored all the way down.
And it's real cedar.
Look at that cedar back there, man. Oh, and this, it keeps your clothes from slipping around.
Yep.
Look at the size of those closets.
Yeah, there's all three doors are closets.
Oh my gosh. They're huge and it goes way back in there. And I love this shower, man, because one thing, I've never seen this before. Shower door only gives you privacy right where you need it. It only goes from here down to there, you know what I'm saying? It looks like some kind of etch, they've etched that glass. It's got this cool, you remember one of my RVs had this, so you can do a pocket door back there, and then you can do another pocket door in the front here, and it gives the whole bathroom a place for privacy and to get dressed. And so Keith, you were telling me back here, man, that y'all, actually it was Ricky and Lucy bed.
Yep, twin bunk. Yep.
And then y'all took that out and put a awesome bed in there,
yep.
tongue and groove.
Tongue and groove pine.
I asked him, I said, hey, you don't mind climbing over each other since it's not north and south? He goes, no, I don't mind. He must sleep on this side.
He does.
Yeah. And it has dual air.
Yes, that was an add-on. We added that on.
You have to, man, this length.
Yeah, and well, to be private, if you shut these little air vents through here, don't really.
Look at those cool little air vents up there.
So the air conditioner blows through.
Blows through here. Of course, here's low tech again, guys. As you know, I love it. Just cut a hole in your wood and let your air come through.
Yeah.
Check out this bathroom, man. That must be original wallpaper there.
Yeah, that's original.
Man, look at those sconces on both sides. Look at this thing. Man, there's quite a bit of counter space on there too. Look at that. Man, even Keith fit on there.
Yeah, yeah.
I love the toilet paper. It's just like a residential toilet paper in there, recessed in. Okay, so we're back in the kitchen. Check out this little splash rack. I mean, you can feel the quality of everything in here. I mean, it is like serious. So Christy's gonna show us something super exciting here. Check it out, man.
This one.
Oh.
That's two shelves. And then this is a dry shelf.
Oh my gosh. Everybody's jealous about this point. Oh, sure.
Yeah, on both sides.
Oh, y'all done this long enough.
Yeah.
Y'all know where everything is.
Beer koozies.
Gotta have a beer koozie, man.
Yeah.
Let's see what he's into down here. XMM Extreme. Well, if I could read that. Mud Magazine.
Yep.
All right,
We
man.
own a mud park, so.
What's that?
The company I work for owns the largest mud park in the world.
Hey, let's go mudding, bro.
Muddy Bottom.
Oh, I know that place. It's
Yep.
right there by us, I think.
Yep, in Shreveport, Louisiana.
I'll be dang. He said he's gonna like go in there and polish it out. You know, that doesn't go over well with me. Dude, I want it to remain exactly like it is, you know? With all the imperfections on it. That's what drew me to it. It was just how perfect it is, you know? Without being restored. It's just so on, man. Man, just look at the shape this thing is. A lot of them I have, the lights are all busted out in it. But boy, not this one, man. Check out that bad boy. Whoa. And that's the original registration that went on the trailer. Ooh, 94. Look at that old school light there. So cool. Man, I love old school, baby. Look at this old school light here, man. It's like got the two doubles in it. Man, that's crazy. Check out that Tamarack trailer leveler. Man, that's a cool one. Man, that's low tech right there. That's a ball and a tube with some water. Look at that original inspection sticker on it. And that's cool. And I love these low tech hooks they put on there. Check it out. They just put some hooks on there on the side of it randomly. You know, like you need it when you're camping, man. Hook something to your trailer. You never know, you need something. Why don't they do that now? So look at this bumper on here, man. It's too cool. Look how wide it comes out. Then they give you this gigantic stepping place right here for non-slip. Just those kind of details. I just love that.